can see about the binary representation for signed numbers. Computers can handle both the positive and negative numbers. The simplest method to represent the negative binary number is called as the signed magnitude. In signed magnitude method, the leftmost bit, that is the most significant bit. You know that. Consider these two examples, these two binary numbers. This is the most significant bit and this is the least significant bit. In the signed magnitude method, the leftmost bit, that is the most significant bit, is called the sign bit or parity bit. Sign bit or parity bit. In these two examples, in the first example, the MSB, most significant bit, is 0. That is, this number is positive, and in this the most significant bit is 1. So this number is negative. If a number has plus sign or no sign, it will be considered as positive. So it is referred as unsigned number. In this is a negative number. If a number has minus sign, it can be considered as negative. So it is referred as signed number. Because it has a sign, minus sign, it is referred as signed number. In this, the signed magnitude number can be represented in two ways. First one is 1's complement method. 1's complement, and second one is 2's complement. 2's complement method. The signed numbers can be represented in two ways, 1's complement and 2's complement method. First one is 1's complement representation. This is an easier approach to represent signed numbers. This is for negative numbers only. That is, a number whose most significant bit is 1. In this, for example, let us find the 1's complement for the decimal number minus 24. That is given, the number is decimal number minus 24 to the base 10. The binary format of this number is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. In this, a signed binary number has 8 bits. Only 7 bits are used to storing the value and 1 bit is used for signed number. This is signed bit or parity bit. In this binary number can be converted to 1's complement. That is, we want to invert all the bits. That is, exchange 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So this can be written as 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So the 1's complement of this number minus 24 is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. See the 2's complement representation. In this, we are going to find the 2's complement for the decimal number minus 24. This is very simple. We know that how to calculate the 1's complement. In this, we want to add 1 to the leftmost bit. We want to add the number 1. So it will become the 2's complement. So in this example, the given number is minus 24. The binary equivalent of this decimal number is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. This can be converted to 1's complement by inverting all the zeros to 1 and 1's to 0. In this, we are going to add 1 to this is the least significant bit. We are going to add 1 in this. As per the binary arithmetic, in this 1 plus 1 is equal to, it is not 2, it is 10. In the next video, we can see about the binary arithmetic. In this, you just learn 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. So, because we are using only the addition plus 1. So, in this 2's complement, we are going to add 1 to the 1's complement number. So, it will become 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So, 0, remainder 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 10, 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 10, remainder 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 2's complement of minus 24 to the base 10 is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0.